Hey guys, you know me there? Reach downtown Toronto.
Yep, we're in Danforth.
Yeah, and I
Danforth
just
Market, that is. Right?
Yeah.
Where you can go and get Jamaican products.
well, so
Everything.
people say. Me
Yeah,
could go
everything.
see.
Well, I heard several persons say that you can get your Jamaican stuff here. So today is like an investigation, right?
Yeah.
An adventure to see if we can get some Jamaican items here, right? So come and take a walk with us, right?
Alright, you know we're gonna put our mask. I'll show you the front of the building.
Mask up.
I'm gonna give you a sneak peek. You see market. Watch market.
And guys, when we say Toronto, this is downtown Toronto, right? Really downtown. So it kind of give you a Jamaica feeling, right?
Like a
in
downtown.
Jamaica, like in a downtown Jamaica. Place now look as pretty and nice. Yes, so watch wifey face, she's glad, right? Yeah, man, here say you have everything, cane, apple, just call it, just name it, right? So walk with you now and see if we can see the nice things then. The good things then. Yeah, man. Yes, as you can see, Danforth, this is by Guest Avenue of Danforth, right? Wife in here just looking at some products to see if there's anything there that she likes. So first thing we'll back up on a yam.
Yellow yam. $2.06. This feel like around £2.
£2.
Yeah, this feel like around £2.
I really come for yam still, and I want to see excitement on the inside.
And Callaloo there, people. Callaloo.
Yeah, in Callaloo, yeah. And kind of look half dead still, but I still Callaloo. The other day we tried some Callaloo in a tin and
Not taste good.
no. Even after we wash it off and everything, we never get a good taste.
$1.99.
Grape cheap, $1.99 people. Right, there's a next Danforth location in North York. That's at the northern end of Toronto. Looking much better and so on, and should have some more items than this, but this is where we are at now, and we're gonna see what they have inside. Well, first we'll book up on some cereal. Not bad. So yeah, but we'll get this on no frills still. Them have this bread at no frills, hardware bread.
Christmas cake.
Bulla. Watch the bulla. $5.49. I should have come from the bulla. I can buy a bag of bulla. Kind of dear still, but can buy a bulla today. We need a trolley.
Wait now.
We don't suspect that we're gonna need a
rum cake. This feel like around £1, $18.
How much was for the cereal?
$3.99.
$3.99 for the cereal.
What is the trolley then?
So you grab a trolley. First thing on the list, I can grab it. You really want cereal?
Normally we get the fresh one.
Yeah, no buy it. Buy the bulla. First, we see bulla from me there first.
You want the one you want a special one? Do you want it?
Yeah, grab that. Grab that. Yeah.
$500.
This section have a tough crackers. Yeah? Means I'm gonna love crackers and sardine. How much are the crackers? I'm not even asking the price on this. And they have bun for $1.49, right? A nice bun this of $1.49. And my favorite coconut, the name rough top. So I have to grab one of that. The original rough top and the coconut rough top. The things them there, man. So the next thing we're here looking at is some Lasco. Nearly 2 years now. Me there here and can't find Lasco. So
I think I'll 3 of them.
3? How much one?
For one.
Yeah, you can buy 3 Lasco for sure. Yeah man, you always get with mackerel and coconut milk.
How much you always pay for the mackerel?
$3, you know. It's cheaper here, so 3 something, 3.40 something. Buy one still, cause it's cheap. Yeah, Malta. Malta not hard to get still. Vitamalt. Yeah, Vitamalt sell all about Canada. And mangoes. $1.99 for Super Gen. Buy it no? Buy it, buy it. You like Super Gen? Buy 3 of them. Yeah, as I said, people, small little small store. Same price, so we always buy Akifar. Yeah, you know have to buy. You want to try it? You want to try the burner?
No, I just want to look at them. Cool color.
No, in the night. This color people don't buy.
No, tell the people.
No, we can tell them that, man. It's not nice.
Good.
No, it's not nice. $2.29. Don't buy it. One of the most interesting thing, yeah, mangoes. You want to try mango?
No.
I don't really see my mango me like still.
So what?
These are some really pretty mangoes though.
Okay, no mango. Sugar mango.
Yeah.
Hayden.
Yeah. Me like Black Yar East Indian. That's it. And Milo. Well, Milo they everywhere still are Alex. So nothing out of the ordinary. Yeah, guys, see some June plum, right? You know, long been eat June plum. What's the price?
The price.
What's the price? We still have to take up 3 of them. $6.99 a pound.
Yeah. So where we? Them are bag?
I don't know that work. They must have a scale close by. Yeah, $6.99 for June plum. Might just buy 3 still. 3 might be half pound. Them live. Pick up the ripe one now. The one that look nice right there. So. The one there.
I said me like things like this.
Yeah.
You know, craving people.
Yeah, man. You know, woman like things are big and man opposite. One of the greatest things is that they have cane. Not really feeling for the cane right now, but I'm going to just pick up one. I don't remember what they call it. If it's a stalk of cane or a Hana cane. People give me some information on that now. But anyway, I'm going to take one of them cane here. Yeah, them have plantain chips. But the price is so hot though, $2.49. Yeah. I'm not sure if I'm going to grab it still. Bigfoot, we might buy one of these Bigfoot for Jaden. I think he will love it. And the round bun. I will be picking up one of these spice buns shortly at no frills, so I don't think I'm going to buy it here. And similar price, $2.79. I think the same price in no frills. But trust me guys, this is a good place to shop if you want to get your Jamaican products for sure. Green banana.
Alright, so I got $2.49 green banana, Jamaican banana. This one right as you go. And this is St. Andrew's time. I remember how much for it. I think it's $1.
But we have time already, no?
Yeah, but this is Jamaica St. Andrew time, the famous, full of flavor. Everybody who can cook know about St. Andrew time. When you go market, this is the one you want to get. So it's here now. And we also have Jermaine's favorite, white yam. How much again was a pound? I think it's $2.49 per pound. The yellow yam, $5.99.
Hold on, let me see the white yam.
Yeah. Nice piece. Yeah. We just need to get the color look. And basically that's what we need. When you look at the plantain chips.
Yeah, me already passed through that already. So I'm not really too friend for saltfish, as you can see. We have saltfish already. But you have to grab some pigtail, eh? Yeah, that's how they sell the pigtail.
And this is the only place that sell it salted, because when we get it up where we are living, it's not corned. It don't have any salt.
So it's fresh. I want to eat stew peas tonight.
Yeah. I'm gonna do a stew peas vlog, so just stay tuned for it. I'm gonna do it when I go with this big failure.
One more and that's it. No, we need no more than that. And they have salt beef. Those who like salt beef. You know, my mother love beef. I love salt beef.
Yeah.
And salt mackerel over there.
Use the fresh one.
So come to the side and give that lady space so she can grab her stuff. He's gonna wait for you, but you ready yet? Yeah. You don't want salt mackerel? You want salt mackerel? No? I really don't. I really neither. Yeah, you can pick up salt mackerel, yeah. And oxtail, for them oxtail there, $10.99. Normally we buy oxtail for like $7.99. So it's not everything in here cheap, right? But them have everything. But it's not everything cheap because you can get oxtail at Walmart, as you see in a previous video, for $7.99. That's the video that we did the Walmart shopping haul. Yeah, that's $7.99 there. One of the biggest things that I see from me come here are the swim around them. I'm sure I have to buy two snapper. I don't see any parrot. But see parrot fish there? Oh yeah, say $6.49. So I have to grab some parrot fish. You see there, I see parrot fish there. It's all I know. Oh, tilapia. Snapper and some parrot. Nothing me about the snapper still. My favorite fish are parrot fish. Whether fry or cooked down. As I say people, parrot fish. Yeah man, it's there. It's there man. Watch out, next video I'll show you how we prepare the parrot fish still. Yeah man.
So people, see the fish them here? Then I'm gonna grab some parrot. But you see above my head? Let me see a point. You see them cool running season here? The all-purpose people? It's not bad. You don't have to buy Maggie. Maggie are like $10.99 for like a big one. Well, if some people, Maggie have to help them too, but this not bad. The all-purpose. The jerk is not good, but the all-purpose is good. It seasons like the Maggie.
Thank you so
you
much.
can do it.
Yeah,
right?
So the guy just cut them up for you.
Cut out the pigtail. You see them pretty?
Nice.
How much for it, Jeremy? How much it come up to? $4.25.
$4.29, not bad.
24. Yeah, $4.24.
24, not
Yeah.
bad.
So this is like a little over a pound? Yeah, because it's two something a pound. So you're gonna pick up
some fish now.
Yeah. So we'll find that fish. You know who can cook that fish are good? Check
Miss
out my mother-in-law.
Yeah man.
Bad van Dr. Fish, a fair food them here with green banana.
No, so me can't believe them Dr. Fish did that either.
$6.49.
Look how them bad too. As mom could have said, yo, the fish them bad, Jamaican. Yeah man. With a good look. Buy at least 3 of them. Cheese!
You never see the Dr. Fish there?
No, we don't miss it. Yeah. Wall them.
Backroad fish.
Wall them. I love the blue one them too.
You too?
Yeah.
Oh man, mine think I like
buy
that.
4 of them. 2 for me.
Yeah. Take off.
Yeah.
I love parrot fish, you know, but I'm not a fish lover. I love parrot fish. This is so beautiful.
Hold on. Look for the bigger one there. Take the bigger one there.
Which one? This one?
No, the one right beside the bag.
This?
Yeah, aren't too long.
You know, like the one in the bag?
Alright, you know, take one of the shorter one then. Take one of the shorter one then.
Take out one?
No. Take up this one. Take up that one.
This?
No, yeah. Take up the first one, yeah.
So you not get one of them here?
Boy, look at me, I eat everything tonight. Yeah man, see boss here, they scale up the Dr. Fish them for it. Yeah man. So, what we did pick up a while ago, we come to 4 to 6. What did we pick up? Pigtail. Okay, and that was how much?
$4.24.
Okay, so make us see how much the fish going to come up to now. And they got shrimps, as you can see. And they got salmon. Alright? The salmon cheap, you know? on the salmon. Go on the salmon. $2 something for the salmon. Yeah, man. So why if you just get 2 salmon?
And it's for
$2.99 per pound.
Yeah.
Not bad. Much cheaper than in the supermarket.
Yeah, yeah.
So if you want it, so when okay, so we know if you come there, come
It's
by.
the head that's for that.
So,
The salmon is for $3.99 and the head is for $2.99. Yeah.
Alright, very sharp. Well done. Well done. Where you want for Christmas? Well, look at this one, we never see.
There's nothing. Did you never see the lady on
Spread.
the one spread?
No, I don't want none, but a good thing.
Yeah, they not have
No.
punk.
No.
Give me yourself punk, no? Yourself punk?
See that wrong man, you ask question, you know, man. No worries, no worries.
You want this one also? Just put it here.
Wow, I'm gonna buy everything in there, so. Yep. But you have to buy a bag though, actually a chicken. Well, she love friend. Anyway, she go, she start talking. I tell people some love talk. We just catch up on camera with the chatting. You have to go buy one of them £10 now. $1.19 per pound.
Of course.
Yeah, we have to grab that. That's really cheap. I never see that yet.
And the chicken fresh.
Yeah. So we have to grab
They
that.
can say, wow.
Yeah. See price of that? Let me see price. $8 for the 3 doctor fish.
Yeah.
Them smarty, they make sure them price it before them scale it and they never think about that.
Yeah, but doctor fish don't have a lot of skill.
Eh, so why, alright, so if that's the case, why them never?
Because they don't must buy it on fish. When you scale it, it can spoil.
Yeah.
Then I put it on the fridge. This is just on ice.
Okay. I don't think that.
That's good because then could have freeze it and make it way more.
Yeah, but when I try to say to you though, they said them could have priced it after it scale. Scale it, weigh it, and price it.
But if that was the case, from when they get it from Jamaica, they could have scaled it before them ship it up.
Yeah. Don't you know that me I say them smart.
Not really, because them could have do it so too. You understand?
Yeah, I miss the point I make still. I don't everybody watch a video, I'll get the point afterwards. I may try to say. Next thing I see them have redder in. Yeah?
This one
The
is
$3.99. That's not bad.
This is $2.99.
$2.99. Which
Yeah,
one
for
is it
this
$3.99?
Maybe it's for per pound. So that means this is less than a pound.
Not bad.
No,
But them one they want to strip.
Yeah, but they're heavier because they are wet. This is a dried one.
Oh, which one you prefer?
The dry one, them sell at Jamaica.
So you can strip it good, eh?
No, that we never had a choice. This is like the
sure
wet
buy
salt
wet with her
fish.
in already.
You remember? Like when you buy the wet salt fish versus the dry one. Same thing.
But me ask if you know if you strip it, that's all. Me ask, that's what I want to hear. I want to know if me not strip it good, you know? Me have somebody can strip it.
So this is not bad. So we get 4 pieces for $3. Basically.
Nice. Yeah, so the fish got scale.
Yeah. This is the salmon and cut it up nicely. $7.36. This is not bad. This is
We
a
are
lot.
cheaper than we normally buy salmon for. And the one that we usually buy, we can show it to you later today. It have a whole heap of bone in it and so.
This is like fleshy.
This look good.
$7.36. This also Jeremian's favorite and my favorite too. Parrot fish.
$6.99. Not bad at all. 16.
Yeah, $16.
Still not bad at all.
No, because Jamaica want the fried fish like $1,000 a pound.
Yeah, so not bad at all. Alright guys, so we got some callaloo finally. That's one of the things
Main thing, I'm a callaloo girl.
yeah, with every panelist. So as you can see, they sell them in bags. Priced at $3, $4 and $5. Obviously based on the weight. Right, so we're just going to grab 2 quickly and grab our breadfruit and head out.
My mother always grow callaloo, so when I think I'm going to buy some soil and I'm going to use the top part and I'm going to stick the rest of it in dirt to see if I can grow my own callaloo. Callaloo take around a month or 6 weeks to mature and you can just keep cutting the branches. So I think I'm going to have a little miniature thing in my house, you understand? So I'm going to take these 2 pieces, steam some callaloo. Sunday morning, never wait, because it's a color look there.
I know, what's that? No, that's not even good. It's not good.
No. Remember we bought one and it's not good.
Yeah,
What's that?
The breadfruit, you don't show it more and buy it. You can just feel like
But you can try it. You can't lose if you buy one. Buy one, man. Try it. So wifey they go and cash out some stuff. She end up full up liquor trolley.
right?
Alright, not bad. That looks like 146.
$46.
146. Not bad. Because a whole heap of goodies.
Yeah.
A whole heap of goodies. So not bad at all, guys. So you can definitely come here and grab your stuff, eh? Say what? You're gonna give us for free for the Christmas? Yeah, man. So there, man. So yeah, man. You feel good.
I feel.
Yeah, but you don't feel good like me still.
So you want parrotfish? So guys, we're back in the car. So we just left from Danforth. We actually was at the Danforth Avenue branch. We are in downtown Toronto. So you need to check it out. They have salmon. The price is good. They have the parrotfish. The price is good. What they pay? Around 4 big size one, and we get it for $16. So
that check out the price. Sorry to interrupt. Check out the price in the video, right? We just made a video, so.
And the chicken was a good price. You get like a 10-pound fresh chicken, and that was
$1.19 per pound.
Per pound.
Per pound.
Okay.
Right now, I know I don't recover people. My finger them mash up. A -1 outside, and it feel like -10 or 15. So my finger them right now. Terrible, man. But it was a good venture, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. It was a good venture.
So we hear about the famous Danforth. We came into this vicinity and we decided to stop at the downtown branch. Here you have a lot of branches like in Kiel and so on, but specifically this one is the one that we went to the one in Toronto. So it's a good experience, you know. The price is good. I think you should check it out. So that's it for this vlog. Follow my next vlog. We might have cook some stew peas for now. We'll see what I go on in our kitchen with the pigtail I just buy. So just stay tuned.
Or she might have cooked some what you call it, brown stew fish with dumpling and green banana and some
pumpkin?
No, some callaloo on the side.
Oh yeah, we get fresh callaloo just now.
So watch out and see if she can cook now.
Alright, we could see what I go on now. Until next time, peace guys. See you
in the next vlog.